Good afternoon, class. Today we discuss our next chapter, magnetism, of your physics book. Now we discuss first of the discovery of magnet. How to magnet discover? There is no known exact date or a year when the magnet was discovered. However, as the story goes, there used to live a sphere boy Magnus in the town of Magnesia in Asia. He used to carry wooden stuff provided with an iron soul. One day, while roaming on Mount Ida, he placed his struck on a blackest rock. Its iron soul got stuck to it. He was terrified. He thought some spirit under the rock was trying to hold this wooden stuff. This blackest rock is actually an ore of iron. It is called magnetite. It is called magnetite. The name of this rock came from the town of Magnesia where was discovered. As this rock attracts the piece of iron towards itself, therefore any other substance which had similar properties is named as magnet. Magnetite, the formula of magnetite is a Fe3O4. Chemical formula of magnetite is Fe3O4 is the world first magnet. This is also called natural magnet. It has two very important property. It has two very important property. It attracts a small piece of iron towards itself. This property is called attractive property. If shape is in the form of needle, then suspended freely, it always points in the north and south direction. This property is called directive property. The property of a magnet to attract any object is called magnetism. Now we discuss about natural magnet. A material which occurs naturally and has a magnetic property is called natural magnet. Now we discuss about artificial magnet, a substance to which property of natural magnet are imparted by artificial means is called artificial magnet. The magnet made of iron, steel, cobalt or nickel are called artificial magnet. These magnets are of different size and shapes. Now we discuss about magnetic and non-magnetic substance. The substance which are strongly attracted by magnet can be converted into magnet artificially are called magnetic substance. For example, iron, cobalt, nickel, steel or their alloys are magnetic substance. And what do you understand by non-magnetic substance? The substance which are neither attracted by magnet or nor can be converted into any artificial magnets are called non-magnetic substance. For example, stones, glass, wood, paper, aluminium, gold, silver, etc. are non-magnetic substance. Thank you, class.